In this video, I will share with you the top 5 best graphics cards under $400 in 2024, each offering an exceptional blend of power, efficiency, and value. Number 1. MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4080. Having tested the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4080 extensively, I can attest to its prowess in handling demanding tasks effortlessly. From rendering high-resolution videos to pushing the boundaries in graphically intensive games, this card consistently delivers exceptional performance without breaking the bank. Why you will purchase? If you seek uncompromising performance without exceeding your budget, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4080 emerges as a top contender, offering a perfect balance of affordability and cutting-edge technology. Number 2. Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC impresses with its robust performance and stable operation. Whether engaged in marathon gaming sessions or tackling complex graphical workloads, this card remains cool and composed, ensuring a seamless user experience throughout. Why you will purchase? For gamers and creators seeking reliable performance and advanced features without stretching their budget, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC emerges as an excellent choice, delivering exceptional value for money. Number 3. XFX Speedster MERC 310 AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. Having put the XFX Speedster MERC 310 through its paces, I can vouch for its remarkable performance and graphical prowess. Whether engaged in competitive gaming or content creation tasks, this card consistently delivers exceptional results, pushing the boundaries of what's possible within its price segment. Why you will purchase? If you're an enthusiast seeking raw power and cutting-edge features at an affordable price point, the XFX Speedster MERC 310 AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX stands out as an enticing option, offering uncompromising performance and future-proof technology. Number 4. Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Trinity OC. The Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Trinity OC impresses with its compact design and formidable performance. Whether engaged in high-octane gaming or intensive rendering tasks, this card remains cool and silent, ensuring a pleasant user experience throughout. Why you will purchase? For enthusiasts seeking a balance between performance and aesthetics within a budget-friendly package, the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Trinity OC offers an enticing proposition, combining raw power with sleek design elements. Number 5. MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3090. Having experienced the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3090 firsthand, I can attest to its unrivaled performance and versatility. Whether engaged in professional-grade rendering or immersive gaming adventures, this card delivers unparalleled results, setting a new standard for graphical excellence. Why you will purchase? While slightly stretching the budget, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3090 presents an irresistible proposition for enthusiasts and content creators craving the ultimate in performance and future-proofing. With its unparalleled capabilities, this card is poised to redefine your gaming and creative experiences for years to come.